Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-rated robot vacuums. In this corner, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum comes in at $1,599, while the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is priced at $549. It's clear that the Roomba Combo i5 Plus has a more affordable price tag, making it a budget-friendly option. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra boasts a powerful 6,000 pascals suction and a dual rubber brush system, ensuring a thorough clean on both hard floors and carpets. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Both vacuums offer impressive cleaning capabilities, but the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's higher suction power gives it an edge in this category. Moving on to mopping functionality. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes it up a notch with its all-in-one docking system. It can automatically complete the mop washing and drying process, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. Additionally, the Roborock 2.0 mopping system provides high-speed scrubbing and consistent mopping pressure. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus offers a convenient switch to transform it into a vacuum and mop combo. While both options have their strengths, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's advanced mopping features give it an advantage here. Let's talk about smart features. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers advanced app control, allowing you to adjust settings, schedule cleaning, and even set no-go zones. It also supports voice control with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. Similarly, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus can be controlled via the iRobot Home app and is compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Both vacuums offer a seamless smart experience, so it's a tie in this category. Finally, let's discuss battery life. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers up to 180 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is impressive. Meanwhile, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus doesn't specify its exact runtime, but it does feature an automatic emptying system that can hold up to 60 days of debris. While the Roomba Combo i5 Plus may not have the longest runtime, its self-emptying capability compensates for it. It's a close call, but the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes the lead in this category. After comparing these two fantastic robot vacuums, it's clear that both have their strengths. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra excels in cleaning performance, mopping functionality, and battery life, while the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus offers a more affordable price and convenient self-emptying feature. And there you have it, folks. The choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get more information on these products. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.